Hey YouTube, what up guys? Check it out. Ford Ranger XL. It's mine. It's my new truck. 2019, 14,000 miles. I'm stoked guys. I'm super excited. If I can get you guys, some of you guys to support me on Patreon and I can get a little income going, I can up my content, start making a budget for videos, start doing some traveling. Let me know down in the comments what you think about my new truck. It's a Ford Ranger XL 2019. Wanted to show you guys so you guys could tell me what you think about it. I used to be a Chevy guy. My old truck before that Dodge was a Chevy. The only reason I sold it was because I got that Dodge. So I've had a Chevy for a long time, but I love this truck guys. This truck is beautiful. Check it out, let me show you real quick. The door opens like that, so you got, it's not really room for an adult back there, but my kids will fit back there. And my drones and stuff like that will fit back there. So that's cool. And here's the front of it, the inside. I love this truck guys. I'm so happy. So it's a nice resource to be able to help me achieve some of these goals I'm trying to achieve. With this truck and you guys' help, we'll be way on the road to doing some amazing stuff, having some really cool content and a lot of fun, and hopefully bring a lot of smile to a lot of people's faces. That's the goal, right? Anyway guys, we're gonna play a fun video today. We're gonna do a fun video. I'm here in downtown Fort Worth. Tall buildings and parking garages. There's some old-timey building looking things way over there. I'm not sure if I can make it that far, but I'm gonna definitely fly around. Let me show you guys what I'm gonna be flying. Don't worry, it's no chance of hurting nothing or nothing like that. I just got this little Alpha. I'm just gonna be whooping around today. So I just got this little, it's under 250 grams with the battery, but it still records in HD. It's got a Caddx Vista on it. So this is a little Alpha, a Whoop, and I got an 850 4S battery on it. And we're gonna rip it around here a little bit. Fly around, see if we can make it up to top of some of the buildings, see if it'll dive. And just chill for a minute, try to have some fun, take a couple flights, let you guys check it out around here. Like I said, it's downtown Fort Worth. If you guys like any of my videos and you enjoy the work I'm doing and the stuff, some of the goals I have, go sign up for my Patreon and help me move this stuff on a little faster so we can actually start getting to some of the good stuff. Anyway, here we go guys, let's take some flights. I love you guys. Subscribe if you're new and hit that like button. Here we go, roll it. All right guys, here we go. Let's get some flying in. I think I'm gonna put it in horizon mode. I think that's what I'm gonna do. All right guys, here we go. It obviously does not like horizon mode, guys. I'm gonna bring it back and put it in acro. See what it does in acro. All right, guys, it's all good. All right, guys, I had some dude I didn't know freaking approaching me, trying to ask all kinds of questions. Freaking weirdo. Anyway, I didn't like flying it in that mode, so that's why I brought it back. So now let's try it in acro, see if it does better in acro. I think it's gonna do a lot better in acro. It didn't like that. Anyway, guys, here we go. Attempt number 2. Hopefully we do better this time. Leaving it in acro. Much better, guys. Much better. Still got some weird stuff going on, but I'm not sure what's causing it. Flying weird. Hardly no wind, so I don't know why it's all jittery. Guess maybe it's windier out there. At least it dives. Well, kinda, it messes up. Huh. I don't know, guys. Weird, I don't think it's gonna let me dive because it's a whoop. Let's see if we can just fly through stuff, maybe. Oh no. It's trying to go through that hole. Dang. One more try. Yeah, one more try. Perfect, guys. That was sick. That was cool. I went through that hole up there. That was so sick. Oh, guys, that was awesome. Hopefully you guys like that. I went through the hole at the top of that building on my second try. First try, I barely bumped the building. Almost messed me up, but I saved it. Incredible range out here. Oh, I spoke too soon. Come back. Oh no. You're messing up on me, guys. Yeah, I got too much concrete in between me and the signal. It's good now though. I'm almost out of battery. Time to bring it in. Pretty fun for a little whoop, guys. It's pretty good. I like it. Got some jallow and some jitters and some stuff, but for the most part it's pretty good. Trying to come down slowly instead of slamming down. There we go, guys. That's it. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a like. And I'm gonna get busy making some different videos, but that's gonna end this one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about my new truck and the flying the little whoop here downtown Fort Worth. Love you guys. Later, fam. Yes!